Your why is your purpose. It's your intention. It is what makes you move forward. When I wrote my book, The Connectivity Canon, The Why and How to Connect on Purpose with a Service Mindset, I wanted to be super duper crystal clear on what my why was. The world doesn't need another book. What it needs is more connectivity, more you and me being together, learning how to communicate, learning how to get along, learning how to talk about the great stuff, the sticky stuff, and everything in between. When we know our why, that becomes easier. So if it's a challenge for you to get to know people, the Canon is a great place to start. And the most important place to start, which is the very first thing I talk about in the book, is your why. Why do you do what you do? Why do you even think this might be important? Why does it matter? When you know your why, it drives everything else. So if you need to get your own copy, you can do so. There's a link below. I would highly recommend it. And I love that I know what my why is. My why is to serve people, to get out, to connect, to build, to create relationships with that service mindset of making the world a better place. I bet that that's part of your why too. Tell me what your why is below. Get your book today. Remember, it's a great day to connect.